Hi, I'm Richard from ITS TV and this is the DTD152. It's an 18 volt lithium ion impact driver from Makita, which is joining part of the very popular LXT 18 volt lithium ion range. As such, it is of course compatible with all of the 18 volt lithium ion slide-on batteries that Makita offer, from 1.5 amp hour all the way up to 5 amp hour, and of course any of the ones that they introduce in the future. Looking at the battery pad, we've got our star on there, we've got our yellow terminal and our star, which means we know that this model has got its inbuilt protection, which talks to the battery and helps to protect the battery from overheating and over discharge, as well as the tool itself. Now, for those of you that know their Makita model numbers, this is the replacement of the very popular DTD146 impact driver, which Makita are slowly phasing out and replacing with the 152. In terms of performance and capacities, it is very similar to the 146. It's got the 146's brushed motor in there. We've just been able to eke out a bit more capacity from it. So it's got the brushed motor as well as the standard rubberized soft grip, very ergonomic. The forward and reverse mode, of course, with the lock-off position in the middle. Intelligent trigger with an electronic cut-off brake and our LED job light, as well as the standard 1/4 inch hex shank for your impact driver or screwdriver bits. This doesn't have one feature that it doesn't have that the 146 did have, is an onboard on-tool battery state indicator, which told you how much battery you had left. But the rumour has it that Makita are bringing out batteries with onboard battery indicators themselves, so they won't need to be on the tools anymore. So that's probably why they've done that on this. As I said, in terms of capacities, very, very similar to the 146 itself. You're looking at 165 Newton meters of torque. So that is a small improvement on the previous model. So that's very, very good for an impact driver of this size in this class. Going to be able to do the vast majority of your on-site screwdriving applications. In terms of RPM, you're looking at about 2,300 rotations per minute, no load. And beats per minute, again, you're looking at about 3,200. So it's a very good, high quality performance machine, this. The great thing about this is because it's compatible with all of Makita's LXT style batteries, you can get it in a 3 amp hour kit, a 4 amp hour kit, or a 5 amp hour kit, and a series of 1 or 2 batteries. Or of course you could buy it as a body only, and it can join your already pre-existing Makita kit. It's a very impressive machine, a very welcome addition to the Makita 18 volt LXT range. It is the DTD152, of course now available from ITS.